ታስደስታለህ ወይንም ደግሞ ሊናደዱ ይችላሉ ወይ ነው ሰው ምን ይመስላሻል?
ጥሩ ነች ዛሬ በጣም ህዝቡን ታስደስታለች። ስለ እጅጋየሁ መናገር የምፈልገው ዛሬ በእጅጋየሁ በዚህ ውድድር ታላቅ ነገር እየሰራች ነው ያለችው። በአሁኑ ሰዓት ኬንያዋን የቆረጠቻት እጅጋየሁ ናት። ውዴም በመከተል ላይ ትገኛለች። በጣም ዛሬ በጣም ተደስቻለሁ። በአሁኑ ሰዓት በጣም ልቤ እየመታ ነው ያለው።
Well, at the moment, Truna, she's doing good. I'm sure, today, Truna, she will make people happy. And at the moment, what Jigayo did, she did really a very good job. And if you ask me what I feel at the moment, Mercedes said, I'm like, just, I'm so happy, I'm so exciting, just to look. Of course, it's normal. All of us, just even a muzzle, of course.
You are equally excited.
Yeah.
The fires have been lit at the stadium already. A victory is already in progress here at Addis Ababa. And it's a victory for the home team, the Ethiopians. And it's a victory being shared by the home crowd here. A beautiful atmosphere from the home fans, giving it to their own crowd.
Moving, I think.
It's not over yet. We've got about 700 or so meters to go. And now the question is whether or not Tirunesh is going for the gold, or she will let her sister have some gold at least.
No, I don't think. For me, Tirunesh won the race and Dibaba second and Woode third.
That's the way you think it's going to be.
But I'm not sure.
Wow. It would be good. Yeah. It will still be for Ethiopia, but I was just thinking that, as a family, sometimes you leave something for your small brother or your small sister as well.
Yeah, Woode Ayale also looks strong.
Now just about one lap remaining and about 10 meters. As they come to the bell, it's the three Ethiopians up front. Echegayehu, Tirunesh, and Woode Ayale. Here is the competition now. They're breaking into the sprint. And I think now the two sisters will try to prove to each other who's got the stronger sprint. It's way before the end of the race. 300 meters to go. And Echegayehu is holding strong. Tirunesh is chasing. She's got a longer stride. And from this point now, you can see it more clearly. She's got a much stronger stride. She's increased the pace somewhat. She's coming to overtake her sister at the moment. We got 300 meters remaining. Tirunesh Dibaba comes up to the front. Echegayehu is in chase. And then behind is Woode Ayale. Now 3 medals up for grabs. And 3 medals going to Ethiopia. It's just the order in which it goes that might be different. Here is Tirunesh. Echegayehu is coming in even more stronger than before. But Tirunesh has got only 10 meters. Here is your African champion, Tirunesh Dibaba. And her sister Echegayehu is a silver medal. And the junior, Woode Ayale, coming in for bronze medal. Gold, silver, and bronze. I don't know how much more, how else Ethiopia can celebrate a great championship with a great victory like this.
Well. One thing what I surprised here, how Jigayo so strong. I didn't expect Jigayo so strong at the end because, she was leading, the last almost 4 laps. And finally, she sprint and she was not far from her sister. That's
Tirunesh Dibaba fi Echegayehu Dibaba tokkoffaa fi lammaffaa watiibaan Woode Ayaleew sadaffaa ba'uudhaan medaalota sadeen fiigicha meetira 10,000 dubartootaatiif qophaa'e kana sadeen Itoophiyaaf argamsiisaniiru. Shaampiyoona kana irratti baay'ina medaaliyaa Itoophiyaa 7 irraa gara 10tti illee ol siqee jira. Shaampiyoona kana irratti fiigicha meetira 5,000 boris atileetonni keenya irratti hirmaatan medaaliyaan ni argama jedhameetiin kan eegamu.
ተመልካቾቻችን ውድድሩን ስትከታተሉ እንደቆያችሁት ሁሉ ጥሩነሽ ዲባባ በ10,000 ሜትር 32 ደቂቃ 49.08 ሴኮንድ፣ እጅጋየሁ ዲባባ በበኩሏ 32 ደቂቃ 50.36 ሴኮንድ፣ ውዴ አያሌው 32 ደቂቃ 55.17 ሴኮንድ በሆነ ጊዜ ውድድሩን በማጠናቀቅ የወርቅ የብርና የነሐስ ሜዳሊያ ባለቤት ሆነዋል። የሶስቱ አትሌቶቻችን ሜዳሊያ ሲጨመር ኢትዮጵያ በአጠቃላይ ካለፈው ረቡዕ ጀምሮ እስካሁን ያገኘችው ሜዳሊያ ብዛት 10 ደርሷል። ደረጃዋ ግን እስካሁን 3ኛ ነው። የኢትዮጵያ አትሌቶች ይህን የመሰለ ድል የወርቅ የብርና የነሐስ ሜዳሊያ በርቀቱ ሲያገኙ በአፍሪካ ምድር የመጀመሪያቸው አይደለም፣ ተደጋጋሚ ነው። በዓለም አትሌቲክስ ሻምፒዮና ላይም እንደዚሁ አይነት ውጤት አስመዝግበው ከፍተኛ ደስታን ለሕዝቡ የሰጡ መሆናቸው የሚታወስ ነው።
የፓሪስ የሄልሲንኪና የኦሳካ የዓለም የ5000ና የ10000 ሜትር የወርቅ ሜዳሊያ ባለቤት ጥሩነሽ ዲባባ አሁን ደግሞ በአፍሪካ አትሌቲክስ ሻምፒዮና የወርቅ ሜዳሊያ ባለቤት